and you so easy to stand up. When you hear music video them, that not happen to you? You're an artist.
Razablade official, you know.
Bro, there you do, babe. Me nah lie.
Done.
Keep up the good work. I hope your next song where you go drop hot as the first one or even better. So you start out with a bang. Guys, if you agree, comment below because that was good, babe.
Yeah, the link I got in the description as a matter of fact in the comments. If you feel like the first song was good, comment below now, and if you don't watch it yet, please support by going to check out the song, please.
Yeah, it was good. Babe. But we're there on each other, right?
Yeah.
You're private always. I mean always stand up. Easy too. It's very easy.
Alright, my private stand up every time they're on you.
Well, majority. Well, yeah, almost every time. Even if me touch your ears, you're easy for arrows. So the word go?
Arrows, anyone you want to call it?
Yeah. When you are the music video them, because when they run, you know, quick maths and it up, and you so easy to stand up. When you are the music video them, that not happen to you?
How much music video me ever do?
One, plus I do other videos. Yeah, in other videos, music video, guys, and probably don't know that, but Jason in other music video, not only his.
No, yeah, but where I get it?
You never did stand up? Like you never feel no type of way?
Where I talk about every time where you have what?
Babe, like when you're in a them position there, like in your music video, yeah, even with the first song, when you're in that music video there, you did, what did I go on for you? Like, because me know how your thing be when we dey around each other. You're dumb. No, you're dumb.
Alright, so tell me this. What you think happened? I just want to hear them. I now say what you think of that happened, you know, but what you think happened?
Me think it go on the same way like when you're around me, I mean, you're a man.
So you feel like say stand up when me there on the next girl?
Yeah, me I ask you. Confirm it.
And if me say no, what you gonna say?
No, me don't want you to say nothing, me want you to talk it truth.
What I know? If me say no, yeah. So, you want me to talk, if suppose me say no?
Babe, and I suppose the truth if you talk. Hey, just answer a question when I ask you.
Stand up a few times.
And what you do?
It make me continue to do the music video because I am a professional.
Tell me more.
That's
obviously you're not a professional. Wait, so that
no, I'm a professional, but I'm still a human being.
I know I did want to know this.
No, well I know I'm a professional, but I'm a human being. Babe, blood run through me, I'm not a robot running the wire. Like what you always tell me. Say.
How much minutes it takes to cool off? Like
Bro,
it's just did it so?
Why you feel like I'm sitting down and I'm like, why you feel like I would have the answer to that?
When I sit down and I'm nothing in a Jason, I ask you a question.
No.
A question, I ask you now?
Why you feel like say, would I have it, like, would I know, say, me think turn up 3 minutes? Yes, so. Why you feel like I have that time of day?
But not your man, I don't know.
Maybe we know, but I know we know. We know a FBI, CSI agent. We don't know the normal things. He turn up and he sit down back when he sit down back. Sometimes we don't even know when he sit down back. We don't know everything. You know what we did there? You know their style? Yes.
I did have to ask guys because I know it be when we run each other. Well, me a personal woman.
I'm a personal
so.
woman and you, me there with them bagga sitting so.
But I mean, I did just have to ask him because, I mean, if I put myself in the position for a moment, I probably would have, you know, but it's not about me, it's about you.
You probably that what?
Nothing. It is nothing.
You probably that what? You probably that what?
Baby, the nothing, woman.
No, me don't want to hear that. You probably that what? Yo, hear what I man?
Not cut out the argument.
Me not cut out the argument. Hear me I say no?
So you say
No,
no.
You say you probably would have what?
Just look that pass and
No,
gone.
you probably
Stop
would have
looking
just
at pass.
Then the music video the day I pass.
Yeah, but you just have to ask it because me know how you stay.
How me stay?
Like, baby, easily. Babe, come on, man, you have to make me spit it out, man.
Spit it out, man.
I know when we're around each other, but at the same time, I don't want to use me because, I mean, me and your woman and
yeah.
we find each other attractive, so
yeah.
whatever gonna happen. But me just have to ask because, bro, like, in the music video, in a compromising position enough times, and guys, sometimes they're well, I'm gonna get into that. Hopefully Jason can tell them about that, but trick that to some of them stuff there, like the whole pillow trick and stuff. But me not see Jason do none of them trick there.
Oh, see, you did well,
that's the thing.
Yeah, why not?
Because me remember me did come from one video shoot with you, and you remember the pillow trick? Cause somebody did come on top of you, but there was actually a pillow.
Yeah, there was a pillow.
But me never see that.
Oh no, this.
Me never see that this time.
Yeah.
So me need to just get it out of the way.
May I be honest, there was no pillow trick, babe. There was
exactly,
no trick.
I saw
but that video there was basically close to dry humping. I said close.
You know the dry hump can't.
Yeah, babe, I said close.
But it looked like that to me.
We're actors, we're supposed to make it look like that because we're trying to tell a story.
But then it affect you physically.
No, it affected me a bit, but I caught myself.
A bit?
Babe.
A bit no count right now.
I caught myself. Alright, look on it, babe. You know, say, whatever me I do, I put my all into. You know, I have an artistic side to how I think. Even my video them, the normal video them, I can see like an artistry in it. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
So, me doing something and I want to tell a story. Why would I do the story in such a way where people say, it's not even appealing? Just for example, me do the scene when I jump off in the pool. You know, somebody link me and say, dog, so how me never seen the blood running in the pool same time? Yes, what I say? So it's like, me have to use as much artistry as possible to make the story be appealing. So, we never did a hump, but it as I say, it was close to dry humping. Meaning say we do it in such a way where it's supposed to look real. That means when I watch it, you're not supposed to say. For example, you watch a show. That the man in it will look like he dead none at all. Imagine somebody saying dead in a show and you're looking eye wide open and him a breathe and you see me I say?
Yeah, I understand where you come from, but at the same time, for me personally, guys, you want me to hold it?
Oh, me good.
Yeah, for me personally, babe, me support you in what you do. But at the same time, just remember limit. Because then if you don't know your limit, then you won't get my support none at all. And that's why I take up JC camera for do this. But at the same time, babe, I just did want to know because we're kind of clueless and we needs to know. Because
we needs to know or you needs to know?
Me, I know one or two people probably didn't wonder. So yeah, you're welcome.
Alright, you see because of that, I'm gonna make sure so that video here where you record, I make sure say go up. So you're not gonna cuss this evening and say, Jason, you have vlog every minute and I'm not seeing a video go.
I been see a vlog with them there.
Tell you the truth, I don't even know. But yeah.
Well, so babe, how you cool off yourself? Why you cut out my argument? How you cool off? Like you just take your mind off of it?
Alright, let me tell you what it
because me on video shoot with you in a compromising position and oftentimes me not see it. Look up, but me know if that scene, babe, I know what you love.
Can I say something without you interrupt with me and meds now?
Alright, dog.
Enough time I don't see and they don't look up, but it probably up. It must be factual say it not up, or it must be factual say it up. As me I say, me have to keep it professional. So what happened is, with my shoot, because I wanted, you know, some me as a man, as me say, me give my all. So I tried as hard as I could to make my scene look as real as I could. To make sure say my song go out there, because you don't know, say, if you do something and you not do it to the best of your ability, stop do it. I was just trying my best. I was just trying my best.
Well, I understand. Other than that, I love the effort where you put in your stuff them. I must tell you.
Did you enjoy the song?
I did. I did love it.
You did?
You asked me if I did. Yeah, I love it.
Oh no, I just want to know if I stop love it.
No, I really love it, man. It was a good project. I love the girl part. I love everything about it. Like you and the girl come together, it did really nice.
Okay.
It did really nice.
Yeah.
I enjoyed the video because even without the song, the video could have told the story. And guys, one thing with me, like me and just the closest friend, I that you tell me, bro. Am I?
You're my best friend, babe.
Okay. So if me not be honest with Jason, me not guarantee that somebody are gonna be honest with him. People are people. Me know me. Me know when me can't handle it. Me tell the truth, me must can't handle somebody not feeling good about what me say and try to name off my head. But for me personally, me tell Jason the truth. If me hear one line and me not understand it, like I say, babe, no, the line me not feel it. And
yeah.
Explain to me.
And that me love about her too. If me go to Obama and me do a line before a song and it half, she tell me. And if I explain it to her and she understands it, she say, alright, go ahead. But at the same time, if you have your woman or you have your man, they're supposed to be supportive in terms of giving input. Do nobody see your man or your woman a flap or do something you can't tell them, yeah? Alright, so with the people, bro, I don't even know. Tell the truth, I don't even know why me a vlog, because I never thought of today as a vlog day.
Sir, let me tell you something. You're not going to be one of them vlog the way you vlog. I'm in your vlog attack, I'm in a see the vlog. That happened too much time.
Thus said Sister White.
Don't tell me say delete them because you're not in the mood, bro. Like I could have saved them.
Baby, your heart is here.
Yeah, you see? You let me see in a dry home.